Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and take a look what kind of beautiful product I found online for around $7 or $8. And what do you think? What is it? What it says in the title? That is DC 5 volts 10 watts amplifier MP3 decoder board, 6.5mm microphone, Bluetooth, hands-free, car MP3 amp player, TF card, aux, USB, record, FM radio for phone, for smartphone, for iPhone, for whatever you want. So basically it's a car MP3 decoder, and that you can use for your DIY projects. I found it interesting and pretty cool, and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it. And of course no bubbles again. Why? I need some bubbles for my addiction. And it comes in zip bag. We have the very popular simple design of a remote control. We have, alright, we have some wires for the speaker, for power supply, for the antenna, I think. Oh, beautiful car MP3 player decoder that you can mount on some kind of case or box. And I love these volume potentiometers with echo and volume, again for the main volume of the speaker and microphone volume. Beautiful. Alright, and this one is a mono amplifier because of the karaoke microphone input. While you are watching in 360, let me read what it says in description. Bluetooth 5.0, supply voltage from 3.7 volts to 5 volts, current 1 to 3 amperes, power 10 watts, support song format MP3, product size 123 millimeters by 56 by 50 millimeters. There is a wiring diagram. Everything is described, which button is for what, and the jack and the potentiometers. We have also instruction on the remote control, main functions, MP3, USB, TF, line in, FM, Bluetooth, 6.5mm microphone, power 10 watts, can be for 3.7 volt battery, rechargeable batteries, 1 to 3 amperes, we said that, can be directly connected to the speaker, the power single channel 10 watts. Beautiful. So let's take a closer look of the panel. Here we have the microphone input, 6.35mm, microphone volume, we have Type-C DC 5 volts, probably for charging, USB where you can plug your USB drive, also the TF card, we have small LED display, we have potentiometer for echo, potentiometer for volume, also right here we have the 3.5mm aux jack, that is for output, I think. Oh no, it's for input. And we have 5 buttons where it says record, but you can record your songs on the TF card. Mode, previous, next, play, pause. And take a look at the printed circuit board. Everything looks beautiful. We have one jack for the speaker, one jack for the power supply, and one for the antenna. And while we are at the printed circuit board, this video is sponsored by jlcpcb. Need a quick, reliable and affordable PCB for your next project? jlcpcb full stack platform make it easy, designed in EDA. Order instantly and scale the PCBA without switching vendors. Get 1 to 4 layer PCB starting at $2 using A-grade materials. With advanced manufacturing now support up to 6 to 32 layers. Enjoy fast global delivery in 24 hours. Comprehensive AOI and flying probe checks for ultimate reliability. New users receive $123 in coupons. Click the link below to get instant quote and complete your order in minutes. So the red connector is for powering the device of 3.7 volts to 5 volts maximum, and this cable goes right here. The other goes for the speaker. As I said, this is mono amplifier, and we have also this small wire which is the antenna for the FM receiver. Time for testing. From my power supply I'm sending 5 volts to the module and powering in 3, 2, 1. Hi! Oh, the FM radio! And using the mode button you can go to the Bluetooth. It's receiving the signal, and I can see that the FM receiver is working, but I can't show you or scan any station because of the copyright songs. And while we are at the radio, we're gonna test the remote control. This is mute, mode, Bluetooth. Alright, the volume working. Also we have a equalizer, pop, rock, almost every mode. Beautiful. Oh, we have manual control of the volume and also using the remote control, which is nice. Echo, nice. Let's now insert a TF card or to try some music on the Bluetooth. No, I'm gonna try the Bluetooth now. Right now it's connected with my phone. I'm gonna play some music and take a look. By the way, the module is set on this big Sony speaker. Oh. Let's try the play, pause, next. Oh, next. Working fine. Also, we can change the to classic, to pop, rock, echo. No, the echo is not working because we don't have microphone in the jack. Let's go next. Now we are at FM receiver, but take a look how fast responds to the modes. FM mode. This is the TF card and Bluetooth. Connected in 1 second. Right now I have insert a micro SD card and let's go to the my favorite. I need to hear this from a little bit far away. Alright. I'm gonna hit play, and please tell me in the comments what you think about the sound. By the way, this speaker Sony is beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Next, I have just couple of songs that I can use in my videos, and I don't want to get a copyright strike. Sorry about that. Next testing will be karaoke. I have attached a microphone. This one is Sony, and place it in the microphone input jack. We have echo, and let's try. Oh, it's working fine, but I am a terrible singer. I do not know to sing, but this is working fine. We have microphone volume up and down, and the echo is working. Can you hear me? Yes, you can hear me without echo, but right now this is with echo. And the most beautiful thing is that you can sing while the music is playing. Beautiful! And what about the recording button on the module? I'm gonna press it, and right now it's on. What does it mean? Is it recording or no? My microphone is making some crazy noise, but never mind. And I have tried the recording button, but it doesn't record on the TF card. I don't know, maybe I will figure out. The Type-C connector, it's not for charging smartphones. Believe it or not, you can power the module using that connector with DC 5 volts. And take a look, now I'm powering into my power adapter and it's turned on. Besides that, you can power it with the wires, you can power it with the Type-C connector or Type-C cable. Awesome. Oh, we have also a red LED light, meaning that it's working, and you can see it right here. Beautiful. Oh, I didn't know that. There is an on-off switch on the volume button. That is even better. Wow, I can't believe it that this module costs around $7 or $8. Yes, touching the karaoke input signal can make some crazy noise with the echo. Alright, never mind. You can power it off using your remote control also. Power on, power off, whatever you want. Besides that, the volume on-off is on or off. You can turn it off with your remote control. Beautiful, beautiful car MP3 module that I love it because it has the karaoke functions. I test the Bluetooth, I test the micro SD card, the echo it's working. You can power it with the DC 5 volts or the power supply with the wires. Beautiful unit. Okay, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!